When I was little, I was actually terrified of flying. So once I had the opportunity to go to space camp and I saw flight jet simulators and we landed a fake space shuttle and I got to know more about how things worked, I came home with a renewed interest and I was never scared of flying after that. Getting to see all the different possibilities of things you can do in engineering completely made my mind up for me. Engineering to me is being able to solve problems every day, but not just solve problems, it's being able to learn something new every day as well. My background is aerospace engineering, that's what I've been trained in. I now work in an operations environment, but you have to know the background from where you've come from to be able to make the right decisions. I lead a large team of fitters and inspectors, stripping down aircraft engines and make sure they're being repaired in the most efficient and safe way possible. Even though I'm not hands-on anymore, I spend all my day on the shop floor supporting those who are. So having the technical knowledge from my apprenticeship really helps me in that situation. Every day that I go into work, I get to see large aerospace engines, the ones that might take people on holiday, and knowing the intricacies of how they work just makes me even more passionate about seeing them in the skies. I'd applied to go to university to study aerospace engineering. It was going to cost me £9,000 a year to study, and that was the first time I started to look into other opportunities outside of university. Apprenticeships, in my opinion, were what you did if you couldn't get into university. I really didn't have any idea of how incredible they would be to study. Coming to Rolls-Royce gave me the opportunity to do hands-on things that I wouldn't have done at university. If I could go back, I would make exactly the same decisions. Having to restart my A-levels, doing an apprenticeship, having to change my route made me even more determined, and it made me really passionate about what I wanted to do. And it's made me grab every opportunity since I've been here with both hands. We're always looking to recruit new people with different views to challenge the way that we do things today. And if we don't inspire today's generation, we won't be able to do that in the future. To become a good engineer, you need to kind of challenge yourself to be logical, but having some creativity and passion will take you a long way.